There's nothing worse than pulling your AirPods out of the case and realizing only one earbud is charged. You left them in overnight, so what went wrong? Before you assume the battery is dead or start thinking about buying a new pair, hold on. In most cases, this is a simple charging contact problem that you can fix at home without any special tools. Let me walk you through the proven steps to get both AirPods charging properly again. First, let's check the charging case because the earbuds only get power from the case itself. Open the case near your phone and make sure it's detected. Then look at the LED light. If the light turns on, the case has power. If there's no light and your phone doesn't recognize it, the case battery may be drained or faulty. In that situation, charge the case fully before testing anything else. If the case has power, inspect the charging port. Dirt, lint, or pocket debris inside the port can block proper charging. When that happens, the case won't charge correctly, and that affects both earbuds. Look inside carefully and clean it using a wooden toothpick or soft brush. Avoid metal objects. Plug the cable back in and confirm the case is charging. Next, make sure both earbuds are seated properly. If one isn't sitting flat inside the case, it won't connect to the charging pins. That's why one side can stay at 0% while the other reaches 100%. Remove both earbuds, place them back in carefully, close the lid, then open it again and check the battery levels on your phone. If one side still refuses to charge, check the gold charging contacts on the bottom of the earbuds and inside the case. These tiny connectors transfer power. Dirt, earwax, or light corrosion can interrupt that connection. Even a thin layer can stop charging. Gently clean the contacts with a soft cloth or cotton swab and try again. If you're seeing a 100% versus 0% imbalance even after overnight charging, that usually points to a weak electrical connection, not a dead battery. Cleaning and reseating often solves it. Now check your charging cable and adapter. Third-party or low-quality cables can deliver unstable voltage, which causes inconsistent charging. If possible, switch to the original Apple cable and a reliable adapter. Fully charge the case again and test both earbuds. If your case supports wireless charging, try placing it on a wireless charger. If wireless works but cable charging doesn't, the issue is likely the cable or the charging port. If hardware looks fine, the issue could be software related. A reset can clear connection glitches and recalibrate battery readings. Put both earbuds in the case. Open the lid, press and hold the setup button on the back for about 15 seconds. Wait until the light flashes amber, then white. Release the button and reconnect them to your device. It's also smart to restart the phone or tablet you're using. Sometimes the device misreads battery levels due to a temporary glitch. Restarting refreshes the system and can correct charging display issues. Don't forget to check your AirPods firmware and Bluetooth settings and keep it updated to avoid charging issues. By following these steps, you've ruled out the most common causes of one earbud not working, and usually this fixes the problem. If it still doesn't work, it could be a hardware issue. If this helped, like and subscribe and let me know which side wasn't charging.